As this is the continuation of my first video, so in first video I started talking about child dependent visa and how the process started. So first two tabs, like a start and application of child dependent visa, we have already completed. Now we are on the third tab, that is documents tab. So in this tab we will get to know what all the documents we need to provide for child dependent visa and which all you need to upload it. So let's start. So first, once you click on the continue from the application tab, you will redirect it to this page. Now provide your bank name, which you will show for the financial proof, and click on the first option, statement. If you need to provide additional way of showing your proof, then click yes, else no. Once you click save and continue from previous page, you will be redirected to this page and it will tell you in detail what all documents required. So first is the passport number, then birth certificate of baby, and then you need to provide the TB test certificate for the baby and letter of consent from the parents. So these are the important documents you need to upload for the child dependent visa. You can visit this page. This will tell you whether you need a TB test certificate or not. So for if you are from India, definitely you need to provide, and for child they don't take the x-ray. Simply you need to visit the clinic and they will provide you the certificate. They will simply ask few questions to the child. So you need to provide the TB test certificate for your child as well. So just remember it. In Bangalore, these are two locations where you can go for TB test. Note down all the documents required and click on the save and continue. Then you will be redirected to this page, which will tell you all the details and what are the documents needed. Now we are moving to the declaration tab. So here you need to read all these details and click I confirm and then click save and continue. On this page, declaration page, you need to say who is going to apply. So you can say I am the parents or legal guardian. So you need to select the third options. On the next page, you need to click the third party declaration. You need to provide family member here. If you dependent on financial conditions someone else, then you need to provide yes, else you need to click no. And now on this page you will see all the details and click continue. After declaration, you need to pay the IHS and visa fee. So this is the IHS page, and here you need to go to the IHS website and you'll get all the information like how much you need to pay. So once you click on go to IHS website, you are redirected to this page and it will tell you how much you need to pay. So one important thing I will want to tell you, if you have if your parent is a skilled worker visa and they are for 3 years of visa and 1 year they have already completed and then they are applying for a child visa, then you need to pay IHS for 2 years only. Okay, it's not for 3 years. So for adult, IHS is 624 pound, but for the kid it is little less and it is around 480 or 490 pound. For exact amount you need to visit gov.uk website and check it, or once you proceed with your application, it will tell you the exact amount how much you need to pay. Once you pay IHS, then a reference number will be generated which will be used for your visa process. So once you click on continue, you will be redirected to this page and you need to provide all the details. Must remember work start date should be the intended travel date for the child. Okay. Now once you all the details are provided, then click on save and continue. Here you will see all the details you already provided for the payment, and now you will make the payment. So this is the final page and here it will tell you how much you need to pay for IHS. When you click on pay now, it will be redirected to the world pay page and there you can make the payment. Okay, so just remember, maximum 5 times your payment can be declined. After that you need to start the process again for the applications. Okay, so make sure you are able to make the payment successfully within 5 times. It should not decline more than 5 times. Remember, sometimes your local debit card won't work here, so you can use your credit card. It works nicely. Okay, so my payment is successful and I can see this page. Okay, when you click on continue the application, I will get this page. It will give you the IHS number and this IHS number will be used in your applications. Now click on continue. You are redirected to this page where you need to pay the visa fee. You already paid the IHS fees. Now you have to pay the visa fee, which is like 50,000 here, or 480 pound for a child, and a skilled worker visa person is a shortage occupation list, that's why this price is little less. Okay, now read everything very clearly here, because once you proceed further you cannot come back and edit it. So once you read everything, then click on continue. It will take you to the world pay payment place, and once the payment is successful you can see this particular page where it will say payment is successful. You can print the confirmation page and save and continue. Then you redirect it to this page which is called further actions tab. At this tab it will tell you some more details about what you need to do now. Read this page very carefully. Okay, so first option is download checklist, so please download it because it is needed when you go for the biometric. Okay, then TV certificate, you can go later and you can have the TV certificate, and then you can go to the VFS website and then you can book your biometric appointment date. On that date you can visit and you can give your biometric options. If you scroll further, you can see optional actions, so you can download your application form and also you can cancel your application form and you can get the refund. From previous page, if you click on the provide documents and biometric, then this page will appear, read everything, and once you click on continue, it will take you to the VFS website where you can book your biometric appointment date, and also you will upload all the documents over there. Once you click on continue from the previous website, you will be redirected to the VFS website, which takes care of biometric appointment and biometric for the UK skilled worker visa and child dependent visa or dependent visa. Now you are redirected to this page, and here you need to provide the reference number, your email ID, and you need to select the VFS location. Okay, and click on continue. Then you will see the book an appointment page, and here you can select the date. So once you select the date, once you click on that date, you can see three options, either standard, prime or prime lounge. If you want, you can select anything, and then if any additional fee you need to pay, you can see this screen, and once the payment is successful, you can see this screen that your payment is successful. Then you will proceed with the self upload, and via self upload you can upload the document by yourself also, or you can do it at your visa application center, but that will be costly. So this is my payment summary for the VFS. Once payment is done, it will give you the transaction summary and it will tell you when your time is there and what date you need to visit for the biometric appointment. Once you click on upload now from previous screen, you will be redirected to this page and it will ask you what all the documents you need to upload. So one by one you can upload all those documents which is required. Okay, so these are the names are given, you just need to upload all those documents. You can log into VFS website any number of times and you can upload these documents before 24 hours of your biometric appointment. Once 24 hours left, then you cannot upload to the VFS. You can directly go to the VFS office and you can show that and they will scan and upload it for you. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and also you can share it to the person who are looking for the child dependent visa. And also dependent visa is also similar process, and you if you are coming to the UK, this is very useful to you. So keep watching my videos and see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, see you, bye bye, and take care. Thank you.